Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how we got the ROKU. So like for the indicators, like I said, I use EMA, Ichimoku, and the DOA sniper that I developed. So if it's under 200 or the Ichimoku cloud, you only need to look for the red. So as you can see here, December 11, we missed this one, but that would have been like 10. The entire day of December 11th, it was consolidating. It was doing some consolidation. But if you enter here, the next day finally dropped. And if you hold here, it would have made like, dang, about 5.6% in the regular market. So, alright, so today, December 13th, we got alerted again. So, alright, so that's 12, 13, 12. Alright, the next day, alright, so you see that the market got down, then it recovered right away, and it recovered about almost 3% within 8:30, 8:45, within 15 minutes, market recovered, and then it touched the EMA, and then the next candlestick tried to break out the EMA, but it failed, and it failed. Then you see that the DOA tried firing, but there's not enough volume, volume. Then, alright, then boom, it fired again. So right now it stayed. Right now we're gonna check for confirmations. So first confirmation DOA, second it's under 250, under Ichimoku, and you can see still a downtrend. Look at here, market still downtrend under 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, 15 minutes good for scalping, like intraday. 30, 1 hour, it's good for swings, short swings. Like 4 hour to 1 day, it's good for like longer swings, like a few weeks. So right now we would have entered here, but then we need to figure out the strike price. To figure out the strike price, you need to look for the strongest support. If you zoom out, you can see that's pretty strong right here. Right here. See that it hit the resistance, support, support. Alright, as you can see, it's actually making a descending triangle under 15 minutes. Alright, so alright, let's go ahead and we do the strike price of 135, I believe. Alright, so right here, ROKU 135. Alright, so we entered there. Market was going down. Power hour kicked in, then boom, we hit it. So right now, it broke it, but it's sitting perfectly from the previous support, the week. So that's actually, drawing a support like that is actually not really accurate. I would suggest doing a rectangular thing for the demand zone. So right here, let's see, there we go. Alright, this is the demand zone. So as you can see, it's set there perfectly. So it's a descending triangle. So under 15 minutes by Monday, if it breaks below, we can see about 128. Sometime next week, if it breaks. If it doesn't break, it has a good chance to recover here, like start squeezing before breakout. So we'll see Monday, next week. Some of you guys are still holding it. I'm still closing. I closed some of it, but I'm still holding some of it. I closed half. But we'll see Monday. So it's pretty much how I figure out how we got the ROKU. You just DOA is pretty easy. You just need to practice it, like do paper trade if you don't want to put real money. But just keep doing it. It's pretty accurate and simple actually. You don't need to make a bunch of line and use a bunch of indicator like RSI, stuff like that. Because the DOA that I developed is pretty much based on volume too. So even though you use RSI, let's see RSI. It's the RSI has been oversold here. Oh, went up here. Anyway, oversold here, but I still dipped. So I don't really use RSI that much, but you can use whatever you want. I'm here to show you guys what I actually use, and it actually works for me. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you like it. I hope it helped you out. Thank you.